Hey everybody, here's the last video of the 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Mega Cab Cummins Turbo Diesel. Just got out of the detail shop. Check this out. And here's the best part of all. Listen to how beast this truck sounds. Listen to it. Listen to the turbo. You can hear the turbo spooling through the exhaust. The truck is absolutely beast. This is one of the best trucks I've ever seen in my life. Look at how monster this truck is. That's the word for this. Monster. Straight diesel. Beautiful, beautiful beast of truck. If you guys have any questions, call or text me 540-848-2974. Deluxe Motorsports, located at 4615 Ewell Road, spelled E-W-E-L-L Road, Fredericksburg, Virginia 22408. Once again, this is the 2009 Mega Cab 20